Hello everyone. Today I came in Canon Pav Bhaji near Thane railway station. So I have a owner here. So he will tell how did he open and what is the very famous here. Why people do like to visit this place because it is nearby Thane station. So anyone can crave and you can have it. So let's talk about him and welcome to you, sir.
Okay.
And just tell me about your
Yes.
this shop. Like when did you open this shop?
Actually, I am not the owner. My brother, Mr. Deepak Ganchani, is the owner. I am handling the restaurant. From last 1988, our shop was near Thane railway station. When our shop was demolished, then we started at Talaupali, and afterwards near Tip Top Mithai Wala, Thane railway station. We are serving pav bhaji from last 20 to 25 years. Thane.
25 years.
Yes.
Okay.
From 1980, since 1998. Yes. And main thing is that we are famous in pav bhaji, and now this is a very huge, one of a very fine restaurant. All fine and all dishes are available, and we prefer purity. And our all butter pav bhaji is made in butter and pure onion amul butter, and rate is very reasonable, and it is open till late night. And one thing is that not only in pav bhaji, our all dishes are nice. Like you can see in our you can Indian main course, you can try paneer tikka masala. We have starters in Chinese also, and also in South Indian.
So sir, are you on online like Zomato, Swiggy?
Yes, we are on Swiggy, Zomato, and there also we are serving the late night.
Okay. And have you received any complaint from people
No, we have
about your food?
no maximum. We are not receive any complaint, because sometimes
Yeah.
maybe there is but no, till that we have not received any issue,
Okay.
not any complaints or that.
And so, suppose if a person who likes, a late night dinner with their family, so just let me know about, let us about viewers, how is your staff? Is there
Yes,
towards with female, like they behave?
yes, they behave very nice, and they all staff are cooperative.
Okay,
Cooperative.
Like there is no misbehave with you?
No misbehave, because we are serving till late night, that we are looking for all that, and all staff are very nice and helpful and very nice, very cooperative. And when sometimes also, even if the customer lose what is, समझो कभी कस्टमर कोई अपना मोबाइल भी यहाँ पे भूल जाता है, या कोई भी कुछ सामान भूल जाता है, तो नेक्स्ट डे या सेम डे पे आते हैं हमारा यहाँ पे काउंटर पे, जब लोग डिपॉजिट कर देते हैं, हमारे स्टाफ भी डिपॉजिट कर देते हैं, हम उनको रिफंड दे देते हैं, मतलब जो उनका रिफंड दे देते हैं। और बाकी क्या काफ़ी बहुत सारे ये भी लेडीज़ भी आती है, जैसा अभी वॉशरूम के लिए भी, और नॉर्मल जैसा स्टेशन है, और जैसा जिसको कोई हेल्प भी चाहिए तो हमारा स्टाफ फुल सपोर्ट करता है। इवन कैशियर्स, मैनेजर्स एंड ऑल स्टाफ्स आर वेरी हेल्पफुल।
Thank you so much, sir, to giving introduction about our viewers. So I will let them. Later I will tell them
Yes.
why they should visit here. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you.
So as you have seen my interview with that owner, and he was really fantastic, and he was, I think I would say, very nervous. Oh my God! Like first time I have seen someone giving their introduction in front of camera, and he was like shivering. That's another story. Like everyone is not that much of habitual, so it's okay. That is another part. So that pav bhaji has arrived, but today I don't wanted to eat. But they told me you have to eat, you have to taste. Because you know what? Like to be very honest, I made a lot of pav bhaji videos in my previous videos. So you guys will think why she is every time recording the pav bhaji only. Why this one? Because it is Canon pav bhaji. The real one, it is in CST, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. So due to some reason I could not go there. So I thought if that Canon pav bhaji, if I'm getting in Thane, so why not I should record here. So let's taste. And the pav bhaji of Canon, it's really good actually. I tasted when I was in my college. So at that time I tasted, and the way they serve tomato, onion, and I would say cucumber. So it made something different from from the other pav bhaji to this pav bhaji. So let's try. So I'm having that pav bhaji, and the taste is really good. And they serve that cucumber along with pav bhaji. They serve cucumber, tomato, and the taste is really good. So if you are living in Thane, so come here, hang out with your friends, your family, and if you are a single, then you should come. Because what happened when you come here, so you forget everything, because how peace, how calm, you're just relaxing your food, you're just very relaxed when you're having your bhaji. So with so much peace. So you must visit to this place and share my video with your friends and with your family member, with your colleagues, and do visit here in every weekend. And thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste, Jai Hind.